Dave from the Redneck Garage. Well, he made it here with the Jeep, and we're going to do a fun job of putting in a new evaporator in the AC box. Had I thought about it, I would have told him to pick up a heater core too, because you're going to be right there at it. But I didn't, so we're just going to do that. Got to take out everything on the dash. That's not for the faint of heart. Let's take a look step by step what we need to do to get this thing cooling again. Oh wow, so basically we're going to take off everything. I'll start by taking the doors off. That'll just get them out of the way, and then we can start yanking stuff off. We got to take out the whole steering column. Alright, so far so good. We got the stinking steering wheel out. He's going to let it break the clutch spring over there by letting the wheel roll.
Set up perfect.
The whole thing's going to roll down the driveway.
That's why I was sitting like this.
Put it in the grass or something, or it's going to roll, baby. Alright, getting closer. I'll take out the rest of this crap and we'll see where we're at. Got to unhook the airbag over here, the handle, all that stuff. They were getting closer. I don't know, what do you think? I'm out of my depth, I can't do it anymore.
Okay.
We'll just leave it this way, he can tow it away. Anyway, this is where I'm at. I'm going to try to do it without taking the whole dash out. All we've got is some electrical components over there, headlights, all that. If I can keep from taking those off, I'll be happy. I'm just going to go ahead and start working underneath the hood. We've got to disconnect our heater hoses here. Carefully get this unattached. This is your vacuum line that controls all your heating controls, and then we got to get our connector. We got to get a remover on here and get these two lines disconnected.
Thingamabobber.
Well, there's a bunch of parts in the driveway. I don't know, we might be able to get back together. Next thing we got to do is take off the dang heater hoses and see if we can get those stupid clips off. These are always a pain in the butt, these connectors. One of the hardest parts for me is always getting those stupid connectors off, and I use the master disconnect. Work like a champ. Alright, we got it out. That's half the battle. We actually had to shift the shifter back into drive to get this to come back far enough to get it out. But that's it, man. You got to take everything off this stinking thing to get to it. Now it should get, well, not easier, but not that much harder, so we're going to start tearing it apart. And look at that. I should have told him to buy a heater core when he bought the other one, but look at this thing, it's leaking. The heater core is absolutely leaking. And here's your evaporator. We're going to take it out and see if we can figure out where the leak is on it, but it really doesn't matter. It's got to get replaced. But yeah, that's bad. That's not good. Somewhere internally, over on this side, you can actually see it in the box where that oil's been coming down into here when it was filled up. And all this rubber's gone. Yuck, that's gross. But definitely heater core needs a replacement. That's bad. Unbelievable. Lucky we got this out, because this would have been bad during the winter because it's leaking. Like leaking. Alright, so we had to pause for station identification rain action. Nice. But that's the best thing about Middle Tennessee. It only lasts, what, 12 hours?
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah. Alright, we're back at it. I got the thing set up in here. I'm going to go ahead and put some bolts in it, and then we're going to get all the rest of the junk hooked up. Hopefully the dang thing will work. I always think it's easier to put it back together than it is take it apart. I don't know why, but it just seems to be that way. I'm hooking up my heater hoses, and then we'll start hooking up the lines to the evaporator, get everything zipped back up on the inside. Makes it sound a lot easier than it is. There's a lot to take apart on this stupid thing. Alright, we got everything hooked back up. We're drawing a vacuum. Sweet. In between the rain. It's awesome. I love it. We ran a vacuum on it for about 30 minutes. Now it's about time to charge. See if it'll charge up. We shall see. cold too. That's awesome. Well, we got everything back together, believe it or not. And it actually feels like it's not going to fall apart driving down the road. Air conditioner's blowing good and cold. That's awesome. So we actually eliminated a couple problems. Even though he might have eliminated not getting the air conditioner fixed, from the look of that heater core, he was going to have to fix it and pull it out anyway. So killed two birds with one stone. Awesome. It's cooling like a Arctic freezer. What do you think? Something like that. Anyway, I'm going in to eat my hot dogs. Jennifer made me. That was because of the rain a little bit longer than I thought, but got it fixed. I'm David and Devin from the Redneck Garage. He's over here somewhere. I don't know what he's doing. What are you doing?
Cleaning up.
All right, he's cleaning up. One more job in the books. Air conditioner fixed, daughter happy, wife wondering where is he at. Anyway, David from the Redneck Garage. Keith! Turning wrenches.